This is the website you're going to use to download non-copyright videos that you will use live stream. That's if you don't have any videos. Okay, so what you're going to do once you enter this website is called pixels.com. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. So once you're on this website, just click here. Be sure that you're searching for the video, so you have to click here. As you can see, it's on photos, so click on videos. Now click here. Okay, so as you can see, I've already searched for baking, and because that's what I want to use, I want to post it on my channel too. Okay, so you can actually search for whatever you want. You can search for anything at all, anything at all. See, you can search for anything at all you want. So I'm going to use baking because I want to post the video on my channel. So you click on search. Okay, as you can see, the videos are here now, so you just have to open them and know the one you want to use. So you can actually open any one. So this is the video. If you want to download any of them, just click on these signs, this sign that is here, this download sign, on any one that you want to download. So you're going to click on that. As you can see, it's downloading. So anyone you want to download, just click on that. I want to download like 3 or 4 for the sake of this video. When you're done downloading the videos that you want, you know most of these videos are short clips, so most times I compile them together. You can use InShot, you can use CapCut. I'm using CapCut right now. Just click on the new project. It will take you to your gallery, select the videos that you want to use for this, and then you have to do some editing. Once you're editing, you can also add animation if you want, so just do your thing. You know how to use the CapCut. If you don't know, please check my previous video to learn how to edit with CapCut. When you're done editing, please go ahead and click on export to save your video. So the next step we're going to do, we're going to use a website called Restream to go live without actually going live, if you understand what I mean. We are going to use the video that we created to go live through this website without actually going live. That way you have more views and your watch hour will increase. You can also use your own personal videos if you have videos. So guys, this is the website we'll be using. It's called restream.io. Once you're here, click on new stream. Click on the first one, Restream Studio. You wait for it to load. Click on add scene, click on media, click on add source, click on local video. Go ahead and select the video that you want. From here, you can actually make your video to be horizontal or vertical. So this is the video we uploaded, and this is the video we're going to use for this live section. Tap at the video so that the 3 dot lines at the top will appear. Then you click on it and then you click on load video. You're doing this because you want your video to keep replaying. If you don't do this, after playing once, the video will just end. So the next thing you're supposed to do, click on go live. Then you edit your title, your description, and you can also set the time that you want it to appear. Then you can also change your thumbnail. To upload your thumbnail, just click on upload image under your thumbnail. It will take you to your gallery. Then select the picture you want to use as thumbnail, and then you have to crop it. When you're done, click next. This is where you connect your account. As you can see, I've connected my channel, Berry Slice. If you have not connected yours, you see an options for YouTube. Just click on that YouTube and then you add the channel that you want to use for it. You can also connect other social media accounts, but I realized that you can only connect one account when you're not using the paid version. So if you're using a paid version, you can connect as many accounts as possible. That is different social media accounts. So I'm going to enable this now. I'm going to enable it on that edit. Just click on it, enable it, then click on create event. It will show you create event if you're actually scheduling your post, like you're not going live at that moment, so it will show you create event. But if you are putting it at the same time, that is, you're going live at that moment, it will show you start streaming. Then you click on that start streaming, then wait for it to start. 2, 1, go. Okay, it has started. Right now we are heading to YouTube and I'm gonna browse my name, my channel. Okay, this is my channel right now. Let me show you what we just did, the outcome of our results. So as you can see, I'm live right now. As you can see that live there, I am live right now. Okay, so this is it. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe, like, and if you have any question, just drop it on the comment section. I'll be glad to attend to your questions. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.